So here I am again. I'm going to show you part 2 of the breakfast, which is going to be the ackee and the saltfish. I've already pre-prepared everything for the sake of time, and we don't want our festival to get cold. Here I have some codfish that has been washed in cold water and also boiled off in hot water. Once it's boiled off and rinsed, then I pick it apart because it comes in long pieces. So I pick it apart and make these small shredded pieces. I'm going to be using some pimento or allspice, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning to give it a little flavor back, because when you wash the codfish, usually you lose a lot of the salt. Ground black pepper, and here's canned ackee that I'm using because I don't have any fresh one. If you have the fresh one, then you use it. I have thyme, tomatoes, sweet peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, garlic, and onion. Stay tuned for the rest of the... Here I am back again. So I'm just about to put in the seasoning in the pot. Hot pot, be careful. Turn down the fire a little bit and just fry up the seasoning. I'm gonna add in my pimento seeds, just a few. Some people crush them, I do sometimes too. Just a few of them. It's allspice, it gives it a nice flavor. And I'm going to put some ground black pepper in there. You can use your judgment. I like mine spicy. A little bit of the Maggi all-purpose seasoning inside of there, just for the sake, as I said, to bring back some of the salt that was taken out. And you're going to fry this up, and then you're going to add in the codfish and let it cook down for a little bit before you add in the ackee. The ackee should be the last part because it's already cooking. You don't want it to mash out. So stay tuned for the results at the end. Okay, so here's the finished result, the ackee and saltfish. This is how it's supposed to look when it's finished. In the first part, I showed you how to cook up the seasoning. I added in the codfish, and the last part I added in the cooked ackee. And the reason why we add the ackee at the end is because we don't want it to mash up, because it becomes very soft once it's cooked. So yeah, this is how it looks, and I hope you enjoy.